It is Monday. We're dropping off checks at the bank.
Do you want a receipt?
No, actually there's one more thing you have to do. We're dropping off stuff. So while leaving the bank, we almost hit a car. Because the dumbass pulled out, the car pulled out in front of us, like, suddenly. And Lindsay was quick enough to put on her horn and brake. I'm so tired of cars.
We should just start walking everywhere.
Yeah, we're just gonna start walking. Well,
or we get a tank.
We'll get a tank. We're gonna get a tank. Drive a tank everywhere. And now we're going to Dollar Tree to get more balloons.
Whee! Driving's fun.
Look at, we got more balloons. Tony's gonna hate us. So is the hospital.
This is a safety hazard.
Yeah. And we got this other dude balloons, Tyler. He's at the hospital too. And he wanted black and purple, but they were all out of purple, so we got a black and red. Because he's an anarchist too.
Yay!
Yay! Oh. But yay. We got Tony a Dollar Tree and like little dart thing. Why would you shoot me? Oh.
Put some glue on it.
As you can see, Tony's doing better today. Look, he's smiling. Feeling so much better. He's playing music, and they cleaned up his face. I love you. Yeah. Oh, armpit.
Just more.
I'm throwing the camera. Tony's on the fastest book. Look at him go. A helicopter. That was fun. Things are happening. They're doing things. Helicopters are so cool. Wash, 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 wash. It is Tuesday. It's stretching. Tuesday. I spent the night. Woke up to find out that Tony's caseworker telling us that everything has been okayed. So Tony staying at the hospital has been okayed, and then getting the surgery has been okay. Now we're just waiting on the surgeon to come out of surgery, if not do the paperwork, and then report back to us about when Tony's surgery will be. So that's what we've been waiting on. Tony's in the bathroom. And I think that's all that's really happened. Besides that helicopter. That was fun. It's still there. Sitting there. Lindsay is coming over, and one of Tony's bosses is coming over. And I'm sitting on a scooter. That's about it. So the helicopter dudes just went back to their awesome helicopter, and they had someone up there taking a photo, and then one of the helicopter pilots or whatever was waving to the building. Probably because he knows people are watching are like children. Children like helicopters. So now it should be taking off. There it goes. Whee! Goodbye, helicopter. Andrew and Lindsay are here. You missed Lindsay's like wiggling dance.
I bet I could probably do it again. Like, fall. Look at Tony. Look at him. Look at him. He's doing things.
He's sitting there,
Exactly.
looking angry.
Grrr. Arr. Oh.
Andrew's been voted to the floor. Actually, no, I just took the chair. Look at all the people. Amanda's hiding over there.
I don't think so.
Boo 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 boo. Oh, Tony.
I don't think you would have it in you.
Yeah, eat that juice. Yeah.
Did you hear
Helicopter.
This is the second helicopter
Helicopter.
today.
Helicopter.
Oh, yeah, we didn't miss it.
Helicopter.
Shut up, Amanda. God.
I'm trying to narrate what's going on.
It's landing.
Helicopter landing.
It says CalStar.
We saw it flying over, so we ran back up.
It's not the Ventura.
No, it's CalStar.
Helicopter.
Andrew, look. Andrew, look.
Don't hurt me, Amy. Window. Yes.
Look at his funky white helmet. Look at him stand there all I'm a helicopter pilot. What's going on over here? Let me look at my helicopter. Let me look over here.
Here's a helicopter.
This helicopter seems like a total douche. The other helicopter people look nicer.
Nicer.
Yeah,
They're
they
like
were.
not even out of the helicopter, and you're saying they look like a douche?
Yep. What's in there? It looks like there's things in the helicopter. There's a person. There's a dude getting out. Oh. Oh, whoa, they pulled the person out of the butt of the helicopter. Actually, it just looks like supplies. It doesn't look like a person.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
They look like coolers.
Maybe they're body parts.
I think they might be.
Ooh, body parts.
They could be transfusion thingies.
Transplants. They're coolers.
Or transplants.
Tony, or someone look up CalStar.
CalStar? Could be, yeah, could be heart transplant, because this is a heart hospital.
Oh.
CalStar. Maybe, yeah, they could be the transport.
California Shock Trauma Air Rescue Ambulance.
Oh.
So, well, they could use them for transport.
Well, they just have bags of stuff. So I'm home. When I got home, I cleaned up. Lindsay helped cleaned up. And I cleaned the bedroom really, really good. And I'm doing laundry. So, yeah, everything will be clean. Which is good. Very good. Get him, Whiskey. Whiskey has the ball. Says it's mine. But I'll let you kind of chew on it. No, it can't. I'm just kidding. I take back what I said. No, you can't touch it. No, I'll just rub it on you. Okay, guys, that's the end of Monday and Tuesday. Huh, Cass? Cass is happy I'm home. He's like, Mommy, I missed you. And I was being an asshole to Lindsay and Andrew. I was angry you weren't home, so I was pooping everywhere. But now he's not. Anyways. Thank you, everyone, for your donations, your love, your well wishes, and your support. I'm gonna get Tony to thank you guys soon, when he can talk better. And hopefully he has his surgery in the next 2 days. Hopefully tomorrow. I'll keep you all up to date. So, piss off.